So the case of the attempted burglary of BTS Jungkook's house continues to roll in the legal realm. The latest developments were delivered directly by BTS's agency, BigHit Music, through the Weverse fan community platform, as reported by Korea JoongAng Daily, Tuesday, January 7, 2025. We are actively working with law enforcement to ensure the perpetrators face appropriate criminal charges, including by submitting surveillance footage and other evidence, BigHit Music said in a statement. Although the identity of the perpetrator has not been publicly revealed, the agency confirmed that the investigation process is ongoing and they will not tolerate actions that endanger the privacy and safety of their artists. The swift move by BigHit Music drew attention from BTS Global public and fans, who called for tighter protection of the K-pop idols from criminal acts and privacy violations. Until now, there has been no additional information from the police regarding the arrest or the motive of the perpetrator. However, BigHit Music affirms its commitment to protect its artists without compromise. Jungkook himself has not given a personal statement regarding the incident, but fans have continued to show their support through social media with hashtags such as #ProtectJungkook and #JusticeForJungkook. The incident occurred in late June 2025, when the perpetrator tried to break into Jungkook's private residence in an exclusive area of Seoul. According to local media reports, the home security system immediately activated, triggering an automatic alarm that instantly connects to law enforcement officers. Police officers who came to the scene said they managed to secure the area, but the perpetrator reportedly fled before being arrested at the scene. Since then, an intensive investigation has begun, including tracing the perpetrators through CCTV footage and other digital evidence. BigHit Music said it had handed over all surveillance footage, including documentation showing the attempted break-in, to help with the legal process. Focus on protecting artist privacy and security. BigHit Music's agency stressed that this incident is a serious reminder of the importance of privacy restrictions for artists, especially for public figures with global influence such as Jungkook. In a statement, the agency stated, "We will continue to take firm legal action against any illegal acts that threaten the safety of our artists. This includes privacy violations, unauthorized sharing of personal information, and harmful physical or digital acts." Fan reaction and global support. BTS fans from around the world, known as the ARMY, immediately voiced concerns and support through various platforms. Hashtags like #StaySafeJungkook, #ProtectOurIdols, and #RespectPrivacy were trending on X, Twitter, and Instagram within hours of the news spreading. Many also called on authorities and entertainment agencies in South Korea to tighten security systems for celebrities, as cases of privacy violations and stalking of artists have become more frequent in recent years. No personal statement from Jungkook yet. Until this news was revealed, Jungkook had not commented directly on the incident. However, his latest activity shows that he is still continuing his work schedule as planned, including the preparation of his next solo album, which is scheduled for release later this year. The public and media hope that this incident can be handled professionally and thoroughly, as well as being a strong warning for anyone who tries to break the law by disturbing the peace of the private lives of public figures. Responding to this case, a number of legal experts in South Korea confirmed that the attempted burglary of the house falls into the category of serious offenses and can be charged with criminal articles. According to lawyer Kim Ji-hoon, a criminal law specialist at Seoul Central Law Firm, even if the offender did not manage to break in or steal things, the intention to commit a crime and a physical attempt to violate the boundaries of privacy are sufficient to incur charges, especially when it comes to public figures with high security risks. In addition to the legal aspect, the psychological side is also of concern. Dr. Han So-yeon, a clinical psychologist at the Korea Mental Health Center, said that incidents like this can have a huge impact on the victim's mental health, especially if they occur suddenly in what should be the safest space. A disturbed sense of security in one's own home can provoke severe stress, anxiety, and even insomnia. The public often forgets that celebrities are also ordinary people who need privacy and tranquility, said Dr. Han. The level of threats to celebrities is increasing. The incident again highlights the high risk South Korean celebrities face from obsessive fans or malicious individuals. Previously, some K-pop artists have also experienced cases of stalking, intrusion, and even the installation of hidden cameras on their private property. The South Korean government actually passed an anti-stalking law in 2021. Which provides a stronger legal basis for dealing with stalking and privacy violations. However, many people consider that its application is still not optimal, especially in cases involving public figures. Reaffirmation of BigHit Music. Closing the statement, BigHit Music reaffirmed their commitment to provide a safe environment for all artists under its auspices. We will not tolerate any act that violates the rights and safety of our artists. We promise to continue to take legal action, both against direct perpetrators and anyone who disseminates personal information or supports illegal acts like this. Conclusion, case continues, public asked to respect privacy. Until now, the investigation is still ongoing and the results of law enforcement efforts are expected to be announced to the public soon. The case is a sobering reminder that popularity shouldn't be an excuse to ignore a person's right to privacy and security, not least for big names like BTS's Jungkook. Jungkook's case is not only the responsibility of law enforcement and agencies, but also a reflection of the urgency of the role of society and the entertainment industry at large.